This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a good division HOI4. First, focus on your division's role. Is it for defense, offense, or a specialized task? A good defensive infantry division might have 10 infantry battalions, providing solid organization and soft attack. For offensive operations, consider a template with 6 tank battalions and 4 motorized or mechanized infantry battalions to achieve high breakthrough and speed. Balancing these elements is key to success on the battlefield. Combat width is crucial for effective division design. Divisions with widths of 10, 20, or 40 are generally most efficient, as they perfectly fill combat engagements without wasting space. For example, a 20-width infantry division with 7 infantry and 2 artillery battalions offers a great balance of defense and soft attack. When designing your divisions, always consider the terrain and the number of enemy divisions you expect to face. Support companies significantly enhance your divisions. Engineers provide a bonus to defense and entrenchment, while reconnaissance companies offer valuable combat bonuses in specific terrains. Logistics companies are essential for large, supply-hungry divisions, reducing their consumption by a quarter. Remember to align your division designs with your chosen military doctrine, whether it's superior firepower for extra soft attack or mobile warfare for faster breakthroughs. For advanced play, consider specialized divisions like Marines for amphibious assaults or Mountaineers for difficult terrain, giving them a 25% attack bonus. Always ensure your industrial capacity can sustain the production of your chosen division templates, especially for expensive tank divisions. Don't overcommit to one type. A balanced army is a strong army. Also, for those looking to streamline their daily routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.